Want to replace your microwave suppression filter? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? Combination pliers, a new suppression filter, and a screwdriver. Step 1. Remove the housing. Loosen the screws on the back. Pull the housing back and then lift it to remove it. Step 2. Discharge the capacitor. Before you begin the repair, it is important to first discharge the capacitor. This is because it may still be under high voltage. To do this, use a piece of insulated tool and carefully connect the two voltage terminals of the capacitor with it. Step 3. Remove the old suppression filter. First, disconnect all the cables. It is helpful to take a picture beforehand so you know how to reconnect the cable. Then take out the old interference suppression filter. Step 4. Place the new suppression filter. Put the new suppression filter in place of the old one. Reconnect the cables to the appropriate connection points. Step 5. Replace the housing. Put the housing back in place and tighten the screws securely. You've replaced the suppression filter and your microwave is ready to use again.